Okay, for those of you at home, this is your practice test. Your test is on Monday. Those of you in class can go home and work it on the computer. And you can find the practice test on Canvas. We're going to work through all of these right now. Those of you at home, you will need to log on to Canvas in case I'm not here, and there will be an assignment just to prove that you were at least logged in. So let's take a look here. Which angle forms a pair of alternating interior with angle 1? Well, let's think about that. Alternating exterior. So this one is on the outside. This is your interior. So alternating exterior would be 1 and 7. The answers are on the back. Alternating exterior jumps over the transversal from this side to that side, and it's on the outside. Which angle corresponds? Top, top, bottom, bottom. So top, 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 top. So angle 7. This one, find the value. All right, the lines are parallel, so we can put those weird arrows. This is top, top. If the lines are parallel, which they say they are, you're going to set them equal to each other. And then you're going to divide by 13. Get your calculator out, and you're done. So 156 divided by 13. When you do that, you get 12, and you can check it in the back. So those are pretty straightforward. Let's keep moving. Now this one right here, let me think about this. This line is parallel to that line. So vertical goes here. So straight across, put 37, vertical. Now you have alternating interior right here. So this one and this one are alternating interior. So put 37 right there. And then go vertical again, this one and this one. So put 37 right here. So they want the measure of angle Q. Well, this is a straight line. So you're going to subtract these two from 180. So 180, which is a line, minus 37 minus 74, and use your calculator. So 180 minus 37 minus 74 equals 69. So 69. Notice what I did there, okay? In case you couldn't see it, I did vertical, I did alternating interior, and then I did vertical, and then I did every line is equal to 180. All right, go over it if you have to. Find the measure of angle G. Okay, let's take a look at angle G. G is this one. It tells you the lines are parallel. So this angle and this angle are vertical. So put 40 degrees, and then these are equal because it's corresponding. So it's got to be 40 degrees. Okay, vertical and then top, top. This one, you have parallel lines. Here's a transversal. So make it bigger. These are called same side interior, SS, SSINT, and they should add up to 180. So you're going to do 2x plus 9x plus 15 is equal to 180. Draw your line. This gives you 11x. And then you want to subtract 15. So minus 15. So you get 11x is equal to whatever that is. 165, I think. So 165 divided by 11. I get 15. Okay. Let's keep moving. Which lines are parallel if angle 2 is equal to angle 8? These are called alternating interior. Remember the 1 dot, 2 dot, so put your dots. The 2 dots is your transversal. The 1 dots are your parallel lines. So L is parallel to M. So it's got to be one of these, okay? And that's alternating interior. So you're going to go with this one, not same side interior. I'd go with that one, alternating interior. Converse means to switch. Find the value that makes the lines parallel. These are called alternating interior, so if they're equal, then the lines are parallel. So you want to add 15 to both sides. So you want to set them equal to each other. So that's 160, and then you want to divide by 4. I think you get 40. You can check it. Now let's try this one. This one looks weird. Let me think. For what values of x for which L is parallel to M? Find the values. Well, let me think here a minute. Okay, so let's draw this line bigger just for the heck of it. Okay, this is angle X right here. So you want to put this as angle X right here. I can't squeeze it in, but I'll put it right here. Alternating interior. Now every line is 180. Okay, I got it. So this line right here is 180. So if I take 180 minus 72, I get 108. So this angle right here is 108. Now let me pull that triangle out. That triangle looks like this: 108, 36, and X. And if you understood what I said, all of these add up to 180 because it's a triangle. It's called the triangle sum theorem. Say it to yourself. Subtract 108, subtract 36, and whatever you get is your answer. So 180 minus 108, and then minus 36. I get 36. Okay, it's kind of tricky. Rework it and think about it, okay? Let's go again. This one right here, find the values of x for which P is parallel to Q. So angle 1 right here is 2x, and angle 3 is 102. These are corresponding. In order for this line to be parallel, these have to be equal. So put 2x is equal to 102, divide by 2. When you divide by 2, you get 51. Okay? Corresponding angles have to be equal. Let's keep moving. Number 15. The trick here is to move this angle vertical. So put 115 right here. Every triangle adds up to 180. So x plus 49 plus 115 is equal to 180. And what you want to do is subtract 49 and subtract 115. And whatever you get is your answer. Okay, you can do that. Let me look at this one here. SRT, so angle SRT, this angle right here, is congruent to STR. STR, this angle and this angle are the same. Okay? And SRT is 24. So if this is 24 degrees, this one is 24 degrees. It's an isosceles triangle. And angle STU is this outside angle, is equal to 4x. Now this line is worth 180. Okay? Make sure you know that. STU is this angle. It equals this line. So 24 plus 4x is equal to 180. You want to subtract 24 and divide by 4. So 4x equals whatever that is, 156, I think. And then divide by 4, and whatever you get is your answer. So let's see what it is. 156 divided by 4, I get 39. There it is. All right, there's something called the exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle is equal to the remote plus the remote. Okay? If you forget that, you can say this line is 180. So the exterior angle is equal to the remote plus the remote. So all you have to do is subtract 52 from 123 and you're done. All right, I'm getting close to the end. Stay with me. Find the values of x, y, and z. Now every year the kids have this one. So do the triangle first. Do this triangle first, which is 180. So you're going to take 180 and you're going to subtract 57. You're going to subtract 45. And you're going to get 78. So this angle is 78. This line is worth 180. So take 180 minus 78. So you get 102. So this angle right here is 102. The whole triangle adds up to 180. This little bitty slither of a triangle is 180. So you're going to say 14 plus 102 plus y is equal to 180. Okay, so we did the triangle to get this one, we did the straight line to get this one, and we did the triangle to get y. So you're going to subtract 102 and subtract 14. You're going to have to go over these, okay? All right, let's keep moving. This is an exterior angle. So the exterior angle is equal to the remote plus the other remote. So I get 110 is equal to 5x. And then I divide by 5, and whatever I get is my answer. It looks like 25. Is that right? 5 goes into 11, 2, 10, 22. Sorry. 22 should be the answer. Okay, let's go on to 24. We're almost done. Is the line parallel to that line? The only way it would be parallel is if it's the same slope. I got it figured out.
You got it figured out?
Thank you so much.
I'm patient. I was going to come up to school and show you.
Hey, do you want some chips? Come on.
I shouldn't.
Let me give you some chips.
I shouldn't.
Grab a couple of these. I'm going to have to go and miss some days because I had family emergency.
Oh, you did everything? Oh, no, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
Sorry to hear that.
Thank you. Anyway, so help yourself. Take at least 2. So what we're going to do is figure out the slope. So for these 2 points, yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So you're going to put the circles at the top, and on these 2, you're going to put the circles on the top. And when you do that, you're going to do your slope. So it's -1 minus 0, and then 3 minus a -1. So here, the minus 0 you can get rid of. This becomes a plus. So I get 3 plus 1. I get -1 over 4. Here I get -5 minus 2. And then I get 5 minus a -4. So that gives me a -7. And this is a plus. So I get -7 over 9. The slopes are not the same, so the lines are not parallel. What does it say? No, the lines have unequal slopes. Okay, what is an equation of a line parallel? In order to be parallel, you have to use the same slope. So it's going to be y minus my y equals my slope, and then x minus my x. And then I have to solve this. Okay, now you were taught how to solve these. So I get y plus 3 equals -1/4 x. Put a 1 under here, remember the trick. So I'm going to get a negative times a negative is a positive. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 1 is 4. And now I'm going to subtract 3 over 1. I'm almost done. So I get -1/4 x. Here I take the 4. So I get a plus 2 and a -12. So that's going to be a -10 over 4, which you got to reduce by 2. So I get 5 over 2. It's this one right here. Okay, last one. perpendicular, you got to take this slope and flip change, or negative reciprocal. So it's going to be y minus my y equals 2 over 3, but it has to be a negative. Got to change it. And then x minus my x. Make sure you understand that, okay? And be careful. All right, let's finish it up. So you're going to get y minus 2 equals negative 2 over 3x. This is a plus. Put a 1 under here. Remember the trick. Negative times positive, so that's going to be a negative 2 over 3. 3 times 1. And then you want to add 2 over 1. I'm almost done. So you get y equals negative 2 over 3x. You're going to take that 3 here, just like we did on the bell work, classwork, and homework. So that's a negative 2 plus 6. That gives me a positive 4 over 3. And that's what I'm looking for. It looks like it's this one. There we go. That's your whole practice test. Have a good day. Good luck on your test Monday.